How to download events on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download events on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click the storylines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings. Go down until you find download your information, click on it, and here all you need to do is just click this one, deselect all, and click events, and then select data range and format and media quality, and then click create file, and then just wait and it will be created, and see you in the next video.